If you want to create your dataset table to look like this with colors and arrows indicating negative and positive percent, this is how you do it. Select this cell here on the very first row and press Ctrl 1 to open up Format Cell. In here, make sure you are in Number tab, then you click on Customs. In this type text box, you open square bracket and you type the word green as in the color. Now you need an arrow up. Click on Windows Start, then after that type the word character map. Once you launch character map, this is what it's supposed to look like. Make sure you're in Arial font, and if you scroll down all the way down here, you will see a couple of arrows here that we're going to be using today. Well, first you're going to do the up arrow. Once this comes in here, you click on copy. I'm going to minimize this guy here, select in here, and then press Ctrl V to paste that arrow. Next, type 0% and semicolon. Then you open square bracket and type the color red and close square bracket. Now you need a down arrow. Launch your character map again. This time around, let's double click on down arrow. Once it's in here, click on copy, minimize this guy here, and then you press Ctrl V to paste it in here. Now you got up and down arrow. After that, you press 0% and semicolon. And once that's all entered in the custom, click on OK here to close it. Now the very first row on this cell has been applied. To apply to the rest of the rows, you just have to double click this square box like that, and all the rows will be applied with colors and symbols.